first thing that we're going to do, because I want to get you to have access to that part of your mind that kind of runs us and gets in our own way, before we can be leaders, we get to kind of explore what happens in our mind. Anybody here ever create an expectation for another human? Okay. Have you ever created an expectation for, think about a human being that you create an expectation for. I can't tell, is this working or not? I just hear my own voice all the time, and the other voices. Oh, yeah. Oh, you have those voices too. How many people have ever created another expectation? How many people have created an expectation for another human being, comma, never shared that expectation with them, comma, and then when they don't fulfill the expectation that they know nothing about, who are you upset at? How does that make any sense whatsoever or logical in an intelligent human being? It doesn't. It's insane, but these are the ways that you've been taught and trained, because a lot of times what happens is we are living our lives asleep. Anybody ever drive and all of a sudden 10 miles later your 5 exits down, you have no idea how you got there?
Yeah.
You're on autopilot all the time. We have these reactions. It's all that we're going to do an exercise that teaches you how not to believe in the first response or reaction. For example, if I say up, you say down. If I say left, you say right. If I say stop, you say no. Good. You all have oppositional defiance disorder. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.